In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CNAME record in Hostinger. By following these simple instructions, you'll be able to manage your DNS settings efficiently and have your domain point exactly where you need it to go. To begin, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the H panel. Once you've accessed the H panel, the next steps will depend on whether your domain is tied to hosting or if it's just a standalone domain. If your domain is linked to hosting, you'll need to go to the Websites section. From there, select Manage on your specific site. Next, navigate to the Advanced section and choose DNS Zone Editor. If your domain is not tied to hosting, instead head to the Domain section, then click on Domain Portfolio. Select your domain of interest, and from there, proceed to DNS/name servers, followed by DNS records. At this stage, we're diving into adding the CNAME record. Inside the DNS Zone Editor, you'll find an option to add record. This is where the magic happens. Choose CNAME from the type options. Now, let's fill those fields thoughtfully. In the Name or Host section, you're going to enter the subdomain you want, like www or blog. There's no need to include the domain name itself, as the system will automatically append it for you. The next section is critical, the target. This is where you specify the full domain to which you want your subdomain pointing. Examples might include destinations like connect.hostinger.com. Remember, this is where you guide web traffic for your chosen subdomain. Regarding TTL, which stands for Time to Live, you typically can leave it at the default setting, which is 1,400 seconds. This determines how long the information about your CNAME record stays cached. However, feel free to adjust it as needed for your purposes. Once all these fields are filled out to your satisfaction, press Add Record to lock in your changes. After submitting your CNAME record, it's important to acknowledge that DNS changes aren't instantaneous. They'll need a bit of time to propagate across the global network. This process can be quite fast, taking just a few minutes in some instances. However, in other cases, it might take up to 24 hours for changes to take effect completely worldwide. Throughout this period, patience is key, but rest assured your adjustments are in motion. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully configured a CNAME record in Hostinger. With practice, managing your DNS settings will become a seamless part of your website management toolkit. Whether you're directing traffic to a new service or optimizing your site, these DNS manipulations are a vital part of Internet infrastructure knowledge. Thanks for tuning in,